Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel IP Boys FX. So today I wanna review this bot to you guys. Those have been chatting me on my DM that I should show them how to set up the bot and how to start trading with this bot. So on this video I will show you guys all the setup and how to land on this background interface. First of all, you have to search for your Deriv.com app. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to remove this Deriv.com. then I'm going to upload the new app. So this Deriv new app. So once it's uploaded, I'll show you guys how to come up and how to pop up on that interface. So let's wait for it to load. So once it's load, I'll show you guys how it works. So this it has already loaded. So all you need to do is to click at your left bar, then you select here. Once you select here, you go to your D bot. So once you go to your D bot, it will bring you into this background. Then you wait for it to upload. So just wait a little bit. So once you have uploaded, I would advise you guys, if you are running this bot, it doesn't charge anything. If you are running this bot, you need to have a strong network connection. And if you want me to show you more about this bot, the only thing you can do is that this bot, I'm sharing it for free. Only thing you can do right now after watching this video is to subscribe to my channel. So once you subscribe to this channel, I'll be telling you guys more about this bot and more deep strategy that this bot carries. So what you need to do is to, once you have popped out to this place, you click on your quick. So once you go to your quick, you don't need to move another place. Is to just select volatility 10 index 1 speed. So once you have selected, you select rise and fall strategy. Then it has to be on ticks. So once you select on ticks, the duration will be on one duration, you understand, one tick, only one tick. Then your staking amount should be 0.50 cents. Then your loss stake hold should be $32, you understand. So and your size should be on 2. If you don't understand anything about this, you can watch my previous video. So all you need to do, size 2, and your profit stake hold should be $10 for the day. So what you need to do is to, once you have selected all this, all you need to do is to just start the bot right away. You start running the bot right away. So the bot is kind of experienced and classic bot that it knows how much to lose, and it also knows how much to make for the day once it has reached the target profit, understand. And if it lose any trade, what it does is that it doubles the amount of the trade that the stakeholder profit that it lose, and double it into 2 to make sure that everything is balanced and you will not be in a losing trade that much. So let's just see how this bot runs. So if you want, I'm still talking about more review about this bot. Don't forget to comment and share this video, and also what you need to do for me to review more about this bot and also new bots that I'm going to give you guys. I'm going to review on this channel. Only you need to do is to just subscribe to the channel, subscribe to my this YouTube channel IP Boys FX. I'll make sure that I give you guys the best strategy ever which you can ever see on my channel. So you can see how the bot is working. You can see it has then moved down to 0.50 cents. You see, so everything is working perfectly according to my instruction and the code that the bot is running. All you need to just leave the bot, just have a strong network connection, and you need to make sure that you be on your screen, don't need to be off. Just stay around with the bot until it hits the profit target, and then you can leave for the day. can leave for the day. Let's just wait to see how the bot is running right away. But seems like my network isn't strong, so all I need to do is to just stop this bot. Since he's not taking trade anymore, just stop the bot right away and hook up to, you can see that we had plus 5.0 cents dollars profit that he just made right away, which is about almost 50% of our daily targets for today. So all you need to do once it does this kind of thing, you just stop the bot, understand? You stop the bot and start again. Then this time around you're setting up to be target about $5 more. For it to make $5 more, then you close for the day.